friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I'm recording this video for you if you want to learn HTML5 and CSS3 from basic to advanced. If you want to be professional in HTML and CSS, or if you want to work as a HTML and CSS developer somewhere, that can be office, that can be online as a freelancer. So you need to have an advanced level skill in HTML5 and CSS3, or you can say in HTML or CSS. And I have designed a course for you which you can take and start learning HTML and CSS. This course is the most complete course with real examples. Inside this course, you are not going to learn only HTML and CSS, but you are going to learn the full process of coding, how you can write your code, how you can write the perfect code, how you can build a modern responsive website just with a latest design just in today's world. So as you can see here in the inside video, this web design for beginners real world coding in HTML5 and CSS3 course. So HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial is step by step from scratch basic to advanced. So here you can see already 2407 students is enrolled inside this course, and with the highest review 4.7 review. This course has got 4.7 review. So as you can see here, 3.5 hour on demand videos contents, 3 articles, 4 supplement resources, full lifetime access. You can watch this course on mobile, on TV, or any other device. This course have assignments, so certificate of completion. So this just from everywhere, from every site, you can say that this course is complete. If you want to take this course, you can find the link in the description of this video. If you're watching this video in the YouTube, so you can find the link for this course in the description of this video, or if you are watching this video on the website, so again you can find the link below this video. So you can click on the link and take this course, start learning HTML5 and CSS3. Thank you for watching this video.